We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
There are 124 temples dedicated to the three mountain kings throughout Taiwan. These are found in Taipei, Hsinchu, Miaoli, Taichung, Zhanghua, Nantou, Pingdong, Kaohsiung, Yunlin, Yilan, and Hualien. In fact, anywhere where there are Hakka people. Most of the temples are very colorful, but Yilan's Jiaoxi Township has a Three Mountain Kings temple which has an example of a black and white commemorative plaque from its redecoration in 1935 during the Japanese era. These type of very plain plaques appeared in that era and were most common in the Yilan area. Hello everyone, and it's time for a Hakka lesson of the day. My name is Joseph.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong.
Hey Alice, nice to see you again.
Hey.
You know, last time we were talking about 圆圆给
圆圆的。
就是 what is round. So today let's go to a different shape. How about what is long? 有什么东西是长长的？这要怎么问呢？
乜嘅東西係長長嘅？
哦，又是給了。長長嘅，我矮啲。
終於會咯。
終於知道不是在罵人了。
好，了解。
So today we're going to talk about what is long. Okay, go ahead, Alice.
長長嘅頭拿毛。
頭拿毛你在比頭髮，我想應該是頭髮吧。That's hair.
長長嘅頭拿毛。
頭拿毛。
長長嘅腳。
長長嘅腳。腳就是腳。
Hey.
Feet are legs, actually.
長長嘅手嘅。
這個我真的大概知道，繩啊嘛，繩就是繩索嘛，
繩子對，
繩子嘛，rope。
長長嘅頭拿毛，
長長嘅頭拿毛，
長長嘅腳，
長長嘅腳，
長長嘅手嘅，
長長嘅手嘅 ，a long rope。
頭拿毛就是頭髮咯，
頭拿毛是 hair, right？
腳就是腳。
腳，你的腳跟你的頭髮。好美啊！
按講呀，按仔細，
按仔細。
還有一個長長嘅手嘅，
長長嘅手嘅就是長長的繩子 ，a long rope. Alright, there you have it. Another lesson from our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
師母你按仔細，
師母你按仔細，張來了。
師母大家張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.